today we have sunshine in Munich. Like after a long time, I'm going to pack my luggage and going to the airport. It goes to Milano. I can't even believe. I don't know if you see the first vlog with CAIA. We visited Stockholm to discuss about the products we are going to create together. So the next step is to visit the makeup production, and like when I tell you that I can't even believe it, that I'm going like to stand in a place where the products are going to be made, which we created together, it's like mind-blowing. Yep, so I'm going to go ahead and make myself ready. Cheers to that. You know, it's just me sitting here. I didn't even start to pack, but I have my stress relief sheet mask on, enjoying the sun. I'm already kind of late, I already know that, but I still want to show you. I have like 3 makeup bags with me, but I would like to show you some products from CAIA, of course, which you will never miss in my makeup bag. BIANCA lip liner, always 2 of them, because one is have to stay in my makeup bag and the other one is in my bag, like which I carry with me. Lip oils, like I really like them because they're like so soft on the lips, not too heavy, they're not sticky. I love it. And this is my new favorite mascara from CAIA, Next Level. These 2 I would like never throw them away, even if they like expire and not good anymore. But these 2 are like the very first samples of a gloss. These are also empty because I was using them a lot, like to make sure that it's perfect, like the texture and the size of an applicator. And it's going to be just a 2-day trip. You don't need a lot of stuff, don't worry. It's just 2 days. It's only 2 days. So guys, I'm at the airport right now and I'm like literally almost alone here. First things first, breakfast and the cherry coke. So guys, I just landed in Milano and now I'm waiting for my unnecessary luggage. I think nobody had a luggage, so I guess it won't take too long. You guys, how nice is the weather? I like can't believe it. Like I have sun like the whole day today. It was in Munich very sunny and here even more. So I'm going to the hotel really quick. I'm changing my clothes and I'm so excited. Like I really cannot wait. We are on our way to the factory, to the makeup factory, and we are going to take you with us and show you as much as possible. I'm like really excited. I can't believe it. I heard that this is like the biggest, the most biggest factory for like makeup, and I don't even know what to expect, but I'm so happy to experience this today.
Finally at the factory, and we have finally met Karina again after a few months apart, and it has been a really exciting month. So now today we will have an exciting meeting. It will be like a creative meeting, so we will go through the launch and we will also have the first samples and like feel them and like testing them and so on. And Karina is super excited and we are as well, so yeah, come along.
We just got like all the colors of her shades, so this is the first time she sees them, so I hope she's happy. So we're just pulling everything out so she can have a look at the final result. Hopefully everything is approved. So guys, we just arrived at the factory and here are my friends.
Okay, so this is the first time everything is like laid up, and here we have your eyeshadow in like your selected formula, and then it's been color matched, so like this is matching that one and this is that one. And then you wanted like waves in your highlighters. So this is actually silicone. And you specifically requested this type of shape. And I've been scouting. I will not surrender. So we found this like really great like outside pack. But then as you see, the insert is not what we wanted. So we've actually done like a special mold just for this project. So I mean, you can just start like swatching everything.
But the eyeshadows is like, they're still the same as the samples, the very first samples that you sent to me.
Yeah, the same like formula and
First, like, these are also nice, but they're very natural, you know? But when you have like a dark shade, when you can put like your eyeliner actually with the eyeshadow, it's like so amazing.
yeah, and especially when you have the brush that you've created as well.
Yeah, this one. Like gonna change our lives. These are so pigmented. Crazy. Insane, like insane. I really want to put them on my lids right now.
And as Karina said, like I think it would be perfect for like brown and green
Yeah,
and
like
blue
imagine
eyes.
green eyes with
Yeah.
this color. Your eye color will like pop. Like
yeah.
blue eyes as well, because it's like the cool undertone.
Yeah.
But with the brown eyes, it will like look very like fierce. Oh my god! Can you see it? What is this? Emily,
So
it
nice.
looks wet.
Yeah.
It looks like it's like not even powder. So pretty.
And we have this one, like if you want for like the darker shades, and then you have the blending brush.
Yes, I've been using this like since you sent it to me as a sample.
Yeah.
Like, oh, this is my highlighter brush since then. You know the TikTok that I sent it to you, like the private one? Was like, no one's gonna know. And I was using the brush. And now I can tell them.
Yeah, it's so good. That color is actually so pretty.
So nice. So nice. You see how fast it goes? This is like for everybody who wants to do like an eyeliner, but they don't want to spend like too much time. So you just use your shadow and this little guy, and then that.
So pretty.
I love it. I really love it. This is like what I used to do like the whole time, like every single day, and this is like amazing. Should I put it on you?
Yes.
Matilda is never gonna take her makeup off now. And it's so good on with your eyes. Look.
I think it's time to, so give your feedback on this one. They did pretty yellow first round, so they've sent us like more options. Yeah, so help yourself, have a look. And here you could be like, 1 centimeter lower, wider, like just any feedback you have. Or even if you want to change everything, like it's up to you.
Like chunky or how to say?
Yeah, like chunky, like more like puffy.
Yeah. I think we will get that if you do it lower, but not like smaller. So you keep the this size, but then you'll do it just lower. This is even more like blue, but then because I kind of like this that it's not like white, like please give me your feedback. But then it almost looks blue.
Should like they will stay like this. The
If
color.
you decide.
But can we like match the color?
Yeah, of course.
Then it will be like. Yeah, I mean, I totally get it. Yeah, but I like this one way more than the yellow one. Yeah, like.
So 2 on the length and 2 on the height.
Yeah. I think they're like perfect like that.
Yeah. Do you like the size of the patch, or do you want it smaller?
No, I think the size is good.
Yeah.
I love the smell. It's like mint, like peppermint. But like a chewing gum, but not too strong, you know.
Yeah.
You guys, we have the palette! Yes!
I really love it.
It's amazing.
I can offer you. So you can.
So whenever I do a campaign with BIANCA, I always say there are no limits, and then when we finally come up with something, we can start with the limits. but we want everything to be like, it's a free space
Big at
now.
the first time.
Yes. This I really like.
It's more about the...
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
This is very,
Yes,
very,
right?
I love it.
I see me like in both of the pictures, like vintage 90s, but like in a very modern way,
Yeah.
I guess. So yeah.
Okay, so more like retro vibe, kind of, in edit.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
And this one, like just looking at the like edit and the lighting,
Yeah.
these are kind of like, the light is kind of hard, while these are more soft.
And like I'm really into this like hairstyles also as
Yeah.
well. It's like very spiky hair, like 90s vintage.
So like a mix, like the video, between this like old retro style
Yes.
vibe with more of this. Then
Yes.
you can like mix it.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
So something like this meets CAIA.
yeah.
Because even if it's like CAIA collection, of course, it's all so you.
Yeah.
Like the biggest part is you, and we want this to feel you, and you are gonna feel it you. And CAIA.
Yeah.
As a set, I think it's really good.
Yeah.
And
this is
I
something
like
new
this.
also.
Yeah. And it should do like this elements, but maybe in the lighter way, like maybe a lighter room, or I don't know.
Then combine that, and this is a really good like bridge going from these kind of like dark elements and this retro as a bridge over to the beauty parts. I don't think that's a problem at all.
I think this is like the most important thing, because when you like you saw it and you was like, this is so you, and this is like exactly what feeling I want to get, like also from my followers.
Yeah.
That
Oh,
they
yeah.
will like, they will never tell like, oh yeah, of course they just put her name on it and that's it, because this is not what we are doing here. Like since day one, it was like I never had this feeling, and it was like the whole time you do you know. And this is like so cool, and I think that the people out, like my followers or like followers from CAIA, should have like exactly the same experience with this collection.
And that's what we want for our like customers as well, to be like, okay, this is something that you actually created. And
Yeah,
So we could definitely create something amazing with
Definitely.
this.
So good. Yes.
I cannot wait for the products to be like done, completely done, including the packaging. And I'm like so excited about, especially about the lip gloss and the highlighters. I think they're like amazing, and I can't wait to show the world the CAIA X TSCHÄRY products.
CAIA X beroende framkallande.
Berume flamskallande. One more time. BIANCA kläder är berume flamskallande. I am really excited about this collection, and the next time we're gonna see each other is in Sweden, in Stockholm.
Let it bang, bang. Bang, bang.